Hello, hey, what's up? Welcome back to Diecast Resurrection. I messed up my project right at the last minute today, so I don't have a video, so I thought maybe we'll go over the submissions page. If you're unfamiliar with the Diecast Resurrection submissions page, this is how you get a car on the show. So let's see what's at the top right now. So I'm gonna go top, past month. All right, so past month top. So this one's got 22 upvotes. It is the most upvoted car on the page. And it is one crusty looking Corvette. It looks kind of funny. I don't think there's supposed to be as much bubble back here, but all right. So as it sits right now, this car, is going to be on the show. I like to look at the top 5, we'll say. So then we got this 70s van, very cool. He wants that done up all sparkly with a mural, whatever. We can read the comments on all this stuff. We've got a nice little community happening here, so I suggest you all come and participate. This one, number 4. Pimp, what is that thing, a Lincoln? Crazy looking, it's got authentic rust. So I'm gonna let this go for a couple more weeks, and what's gonna happen is I'm gonna contact the top 5 people and say, hey, send your cars in. I'm gonna do the cars and then I'm gonna send them back to them. What else we got here? This one says I made this, so that is somebody's custom. Beautiful. You can see which ones I've been upvoting as well. So I upvoted this fleet side to get on the show. That'd be a cool one. I haven't worked on a fleet side, so that'd be alright. I upvoted this one because it's cool. Got the little Greyhound bus action and a heavy hauler tow truck. That'd be totally awesome. I don't know which one I'd want to do more. Probably the bus. The Redline's pretty basic. I think the bus would be more fun. Let's look at some of your guys' stuff here. Hot Wheels Lancia Stratos Custom Pimp. It's got Firebird wheels. Very cool. Something out of the Jetsons. I like it. Oh, we know this guy. 164 Revival posted a little wheelies on here. It's cool. A little fan belt. Got some plug wires. Very nice from 164 Revival. Oh, there's another one, 164. He's been getting the upvotes. It's nice. Sweet ride, bro. Sweet ride. What else we got? Sienna, 69 Charger, 64 Chevelle. Beautiful. It's very nice. Oh, look at that. That's a big banger. He's got the upgraded wheels and turned it into a General. Sweet. It's very cool. So there you go, guys. That's just a taste of what's on the Reddit. Just posting a car on the Reddit isn't enough. It has to be something that people are willing to upvote, as you can see. At this time, only the top ones are going to be considered for now, but it doesn't hurt to post whatever you got. All these red ones are car submissions, so it might take a while for this to climb the ladder, depending on how much traffic we have on the page, etc. So if your car doesn't jump to the top right away, don't feel bad. Like this one, this is a showing off Redline. That's a super rare car. Like there's no reason why that shouldn't be on the show. That one's awesome. Super rare. Cool, he's got some square bodies. Yeah, I'm doing one of these. Same little ramp truck. So anyways, guys, that's the Reddit. You guys can go in there, snoop around, upvote what you like, downvote the ones you don't like, and you guys are going to dictate what comes on the show. So there you go. Just a short little video for today. I'm working on the Trans Am. I figure we might as well get it done. Bumper, no bumper, whatever. I got the decals made and everything. I'm just finishing up on it, so that'll be the next video. And yeah, so make sure you check out the Reddit. Post your cars, meet people. It's kind of a place where people just talk about this kind of stuff. That's all I got for you today, bros and gals. So I will see you later.